Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of cutting-edge computing with the HP newest Envy laptop. Get ready to witness ultimate performance like never before. From its stunning 17.3-inch FHD touchscreen to its lightning-fast 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700H processor, this laptop is engineered to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. But that's not all. With a whopping 64 GB of RAM, a spacious 2 TB PCIe SSD, and an array of connectivity options including Webcam, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 6, the HP newest Envy laptop ensures you stay productive and connected wherever you go. Whether you're a creative professional, a business executive, or a student on the go, the HP newest Envy laptop is your ultimate companion for unleashing your full potential. Stay tuned as we take a closer look at what sets this powerhouse apart from the rest. And there you have it, folks. The HP newest Envy laptop, where style meets substance and performance knows no bounds. Ready to experience the future of computing? Head over to the link in the description to get your hands on this technological marvel today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, happy computing!